you doing, cutie? Hi. Where are you going? Are you running away? Huh? Peek. Look at your legs go 90 miles an hour. Now if you can just do that standing upright, that would be considered running. Yeah, you'd be running all over the place. Hey, no kitties. Kitties are being bad. They're just playing. Yeah, Coco don't like to play, huh? You don't want them fighting around you, though. Cook's just young and wants to play. You got Mommy's finger. Isn't that exciting? Is that exciting? Hmm? Ooh. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?